Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Discord.js. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make your own custom prefix. So first, we need to create a model. You can just copy the model, just come to models. If you haven't watched how to set up a MongoDB, feel free to watch the episode. It will be linked down in the description. So first, we're going to create a schema. So you're gonna change blacklist to prefix. Then we can do guild. It's gonna be a string. We're gonna put the ID in here, and prefix, it's also gonna be a string. Okay, so let's start making the command. So this is the database. Once again, if you haven't watched on how to set up a database, feel free to watch the video. It will be linked down in the description. Okay, now let's just create a new folder. Prefix. I hope the music is loud enough. Prefix.js. And then we can just create a reset prefix reset.js. Okay, so we can just close the we can go to index.js. First, we are gonna require the schema. So const custom prefix equal require. I'm just gonna enlarge this. Equals require, and then dot slash, and then you can go to models, and then you slash, and you go to prefix. So you're requiring this. Then we can write a function, so it's easier to get the we just name this prefix schema. I'm just gonna remove this. Okay, so we're gonna write a function. It's gonna be a very easy function. Just do client dot prefix, and then it's equals to async function. We're gonna write the async function. So we're gonna need a message parameter. Then we can just custom. What's wrong here? Client prefix equals to user function. Okay. So let custom. We're gonna manipulate this. So we're gonna define data, const data equal over prefix schema, the schema above, define one, and then we're gonna pass in the guild ID. So it's message.guild.id, message being here, and then so we're gonna catch if there's any errors. Console error, and then if there's data, then custom equals to data dot prefix, and then else just do an else custom equals prefix. So basically this prefix is defined here, the prefix that is in your config.json. Then we're gonna return return custom. So basically this is the function to get the prefix. So now we're just gonna code on how to set the prefix. So first we're gonna require the package as usual, prefix schema equal require. Then we go back 2 folders, go to modules, and then go to prefix, and then module.exports. Name will be prefix, and then run async message arts, and then we're gonna do const res equal await arts dot join if no res return message dot channel send. Please specify a prefix to change to. Okay, so res is the prefix that you want to change to, and if there's no response, we ask them to specify. So if when there's res, so we're gonna find one as usual, field message field the ID. I'm just gonna pass in parameters. Message JS, and then message. Okay, so prefix, I'm gonna find one. Async error in data. If error, throw error. If data, if there's data, then we're gonna update the data. So we're gonna do prefix schema dot find one and delete. So we're gonna delete this the existing data, and then field message.field.id, and then we're gonna save the new data. Data is a new prefix schema. And we can just do this. The guild message.field.id, then the prefix will be res. Okay, let me just add a comma here. Okay, then data.save, so we're gonna save the new data. Then message.channel.send, your prefix has been updated to, just change data template literals, and then res. And just make this bold. Okay, so now if there is no data, we just gonna create a new data. Data equals to new prefix. I keep making it caps. Prefix schema dot dot is gonna be the same thing. Build the message dot build the ID, and then prefix will be res. Okay, then data.save, the message.channel.send, custom prefix in this server is now set to, and then res, and then okay, so this basically how you save data to the database. Okay, let's try running it. No dot. Just wait for it to load. Ignore this because we haven't wrote anything here. Okay, so let's test the command. So y prefix, you should say there's pre-specified prefix change to. Let's just change it to 2 question marks. Just change it to that. Send of undefined. Oh, I added an S. It should be message of channel, and it should already save the data, because it's already saved, then only it sends the message. It's already saved. Let me just reload this, and let me just delete it real quick. It's taking some time. Let me just delete the data and let's try again. Okay, so the bot is loaded up, and then let's just do y prefix question mark. Let's go. So custom prefix now in this server is now set to question mark, and then you should see in a database it should show up. Okay, so as you can see here, the guild, this is the guild ID and this is the prefix. So this is the guild ID and this is the prefix. Okay, right now we're gonna make a reset command. Means you're gonna reset the prefix. So first off, we need to do the same thing. Prefix schema equal required dot slash models, and then prefix module or exports. Let me just put a space here. Name, and then it's gonna be prefix reset, and then run asynchronously client message. Okay, so await prefix schema dot find one and delete, and then the guild will be message.guild.id, and then we also can require the normal prefix, which is the one set in config.json. So require config.json. Okay, then message.channel.send. The prefix has been reset to prefix. Let's try it. It should delete the data, but the prefix is still gonna be y exclamation mark, because I haven't manipulated anything in index. First you're gonna test the database. So this is the current prefix, and run this command. It should delete the prefix. Let's try it. Right, is it prefix? Okay, prefix reset. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put dot prefix. Okay, if you do it dot prefix, or you can just deconstructor the object right here, but it should work after you add dot prefix, and then it should show your prefix right here. Then the data should be deleted. Okay, so there's no data. So we can do this in another way. We can send a confirmation whether you want to really delete this or you just ran this command by accident. So we just let's just save the data first, prefix, and then let's do this. Okay, so as you can see, there's data right now. I'm going to show you guys how to make a confirmation. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So just npm, just do this, npm I at reconlx/discord.js. You can do this if you want, but if you don't want, it's fine. You can just skip through this. Okay, let's just const equals require at reconlx.discord.js, and then here it should be called confirmation. Yes, it should call confirmation, and then we can say message.channel.send. Are you sure you want to reset the prefix? and then we can make a promise, then async message. Okay, then after that we can use this confirmation. No, we're just going to define emoji equals to await for confirmation, and then first will be message msg, because I have already async this. So this is basically on which message you want to collect your reactions on. Then next will be message the author, who will be able to access this. Valid reactions, you can put your own reactions. I'm going to put a tick, check, let me just do this, check, and then for this I'm just going to make a cross for the second reaction, cross, and just put this. So there's two options, and then the time, it's default set to 60 seconds, but for this tutorial I'm going to put it for 10 seconds so you can see the time. Okay, so basically what this does is it's gonna react to the bot will react with these two emojis, and then it will return the emojis reacted. Maximum is just one emoji. So if emoji is equals to this check mark, we're gonna do something, and then if emoji is equals to the cross, and then we're gonna do something. So basically when they reacted to this, we would want to delete the confirmation message first, and then we'll paste this code inside. We're just gonna cut this, just paste it in here. Okay, so if the author click cancel, we just will do message.delete, delete the confirmation again, and then we're gonna message.channel.send confirmation prefix reset prefix has been cancelled. Okay, let's try this. Let me just show you what I mean. Try to MongoDB, and then as you can see here, there's data right now. Then prefix reset. So why prefix reset? Okay, what's the problem? Oh, it's y prefix because I haven't changed the index.js, so it's y prefix reset. And then they will say, are you sure you want to reset the prefix, which is stated here? So if I click no, it will say reset prefix has been cancelled, which is also stated here. So if I click, and then the data should be still here, it shouldn't be deleted. And then if I do y prefix reset and I click yes, and then it should delete the data. See, when I click this, and then the prefix will be reset to y, and then the data should be removed. Yes, so the data has been removed. So that's about prefixes. Now we're gonna implement it inside the code in index.js. Okay, so first let's go to index.js, and then we can use this. So let's just do so because this is we need to resolve the promise in this, so we're just gonna do await. So let's just say const p equals to await client.prefix, and then the parameter will be message. So this message is equals to this. So let's just change all these prefixes. All these prefix, you just change it to p. And then this prefix, you gotta change it to p again, and then it should work already. let's just make an event if the bot got pinged. If the bot got pinged, it will send the prefix. So if, let me see, can I use let me just message.mentions.users.first if they mention the user, and then if message.mentions.users.first.id is equals to bot's ID. So in this section, just put in your bot's ID, and then return message.channel.send prefix in message.guild.name, and then is p. So as you can see, return message.channel.send prefix in message.guild.name is p. So let's try it. Let me just ping the guy. When I ping the bot, YouTube, and then you should return the prefix in YouTube tutorials is y. So this is really helpful if you don't remember your prefix. So let me show you. If I change the prefix, y prefix, let me just change it to question mark again. What is question mark? Okay, then it will be shown here, the prefix, and then we're gonna do help. As you can see, it works. You can change it. You can do like ping. Okay, so this works, and then when you ping the bot, it should return the prefix. So last thing we have to do here is, if the bot got kicked, you should delete the data. So basically, what is this? It's client.on guild delete async guild. Then just copy this, and then prefix schema.find one. So it's finding the ID, the deleted guild ID, and then it's finding the data, and then it's deleting the data. So once again, when the bot is kicked from a guild, it will trigger this event, and then you're gonna async guild.id, the server that is left, the bot server left or something. Okay, so it will async error data, and then prefix schema find one, and then it will delete the data once it's kicked from the guild. So it wouldn't spam your database, so you don't need to worry. Yeah, let me just show you there's data right now. Okay, I'll just okay, now I'll kick the bot, and then the data should be removed from the database. Okay, so let's kick the bot. Okay, the bot is gone now. When I refresh it, it should console log deleted data. Okay, and then when I refresh it, it should be no more data. Yes, so there isn't any more data. So basically, this is the custom prefix video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any errors, feel free to join the Discord support server. I will help you personally in this server. If there's any error, or you need any more help about any other codes. Other than that, have a nice day. See you again on the next episode. Bye.